blessings of God, the most merciful. This is Amir Sultan, QHSC Business International Chief Executive Officer. I hope you are following our videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 313. Before I proceed to chapter number 313, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after viewing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 313 is about how to have an effective external audit with evidence. This is very important and imperative when we are dealing and we are talking about external audit with evidence, because evidence is one of the most important things for the external audit. Okay, now what is evidence? The evidence is basically anything which we found, anarchy, ambiguity, any issue, the things which are not present, which are missing, which are things not addressed properly for the ISO system within the organization. We have to chalk out, we have to write down with details. For example, the person goes to the operations department and there is a big lathe machine, they are working on it, but that doesn't have, there's a lot of oil leaked in the on the floor. The machine is not having a maintenance, and they're giving a lot of noise and dust and all things like that. Then what happened? The person who is doing the audit, that person needs to write down the name of that machine, the number of that machine, the location of that machine, the person who is using that machine, the things which comes down, the ambiguity comes down to that, and write down appropriately with the time thing, and that comes to the evidence. Now I give you one more example. The person goes down and see that one person is working at height on a floor, but doesn't have not using the proper PPs. So what the person, the auditor needs to do, that person will call down the person, take the details of that person, employee name, employee number, and the PPs they are missing, the type of work they are using, and the ambiguities, the issues they are not addressing, and write down the evidence, and that comes down to issue about the evidence. And in the same way, the person goes down and see that the check about the input output of the process of the organizations, about the delivery of the products or the receiving of the products. They check that for the last 3-4 days they haven't written down the appropriate details about the delivery and the receiving of the products appropriately. A lot of things are missing. Things have been received and not written down. Then that person will do what? They will write down the details which are missing according to that date, with the reference number, with that department, with the person name who is handling it, and that comes down to the evidence. The evidence is very important, imperative, needs to be done and needs to be kept up with the auditor before the person goes to the final meeting in the external audit and gives the reports to the management. If you need more details, analysis, reports, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach me on my another number at +92 314 639 7990. Even you can contact me on my 3 email addresses at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com, amirsultanrana1@gmail.com, and at contact@qhscbusinessinternational.com, and you can contact me on my company website also at www.qhscbusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.